Workers' compensation. Is workers' comp settlement money taxable? Hi, I'm attorney John Sheehan. Since 1993, I've represented thousands of injured workers and car accident victims throughout Massachusetts. Let me just answer that quickly and directly. No, workers' comp benefits and workers' comp settlement benefits are not taxable. However, there could be liens that apply that would be deducted under certain circumstances from the employee's net recovery from a workers' comp settlement. For example, if the injured worker's medical treatment was paid in part by Mass Health, which is the Massachusetts Medicaid program, then Mass Health would have a lien. If the workers' comp settlement is with liability, which means that the workers' comp insurance company has accepted legal responsibility for the injuries that are agreed to in the settlement, and Mass Health is paid for part of the medical treatment related to those injuries, then the workers' comp insurance company, under the terms of the settlement, would reimburse Mass Health separately from the amount of the settlement, because they've accepted responsibility apart from the weekly lost wage benefits, apart from the lump sum settlement, to pay for the injured worker's medical treatment. If Medicare has paid for treatment related to the work accident, related to the injuries that are accepted in the workers' comp settlement, then Medicare would have a lien, and Medicare would have to be reimbursed for any benefits or conditional payments that Medicare made. If the injured worker owes child support, if there is a child support order, then there would be a lien that would be owed through the Department of Revenue in Massachusetts, which is responsible for collecting unpaid child support. If the injured worker owed back taxes before the work injury, then that would be paid back through the Department of Revenue in Massachusetts. If the injured worker owed back taxes before the work accident, then those back taxes would have to be paid back to the Department of Revenue in Massachusetts. It's important that you tell your lawyer about any possible unpaid child support or unpaid taxes before a workers' comp settlement is finalized, because that would give your lawyer the chance to investigate, to determine if there is indeed a balance owed for child support or for unpaid taxes, and possibly negotiate a reduction depending on the amount of the proposed lump sum settlement. If you'd like to talk to me about your own case, if you're receiving workers' comp benefits due to a work accident in Massachusetts, or if you're hurt at work in Massachusetts and your benefits have been terminated or denied, feel free to call or text me at the number below. And if you'd like to watch my future videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.